नमस्कार दोस्तों, लर्निंग विथ इग्नू इस कार्यक्रम में हम उन सब का स्वागत करते हैं जो हमारे साथ इस फेसबुक लाइव सेशन में जुड़े हुए हैं। मैं हूं वीपी रूपम, स्टूडेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन डिवीजन से, और मेरे साथ हैं डॉक्टर केडी प्रसाद, रीजनल सर्विसेज डिवीजन से।
जी नमस्कार
दोस्तों, मैं आपको इग्नू के स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में यहाँ ये बताना चाहूँगा कि शुरू से ही जो इग्नू जब अस्तित्व में आया तो उसके पीछे यही कल्पना थी कि हमारे बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं देश में जो किसी न किसी कारण से क्लासरूम टीचिंग में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते हैं। उनके लिए पढ़ने पढ़ाने की एक व्यवस्था के रूप में इंदिरा गांधी राष्ट्रीय मुक्त विश्वविद्यालय बना है, और पिछले 35 सालों में 35 साल हो गए हमें डॉक्टर प्रसाद इस विश्वविद्यालय को। पिछले 35 सालों में हमारी ये कोशिश रही है कि दूर दराज क्षेत्रों में, ऐसे इलाकों में हम पहुँचें, ऐसे लोगों के पास शिक्षा ले जाएं जिनके पास की और कोई वैकल्पिक और कोई विकल्प नहीं है। बहुत सारे कामकाजी लोग हैं, और आज का ज़माना ऐसा है कि जो एक लीनियर अप्रोच था लाइफ का कि पहले हमने पढ़ाई की, उसके बाद हमने नौकरी की, फिर लीजर, तो वो अब नहीं है। हमें लगातार अपना ज्ञानवर्धन करना पड़ता है, अपने आप को इक्विप करना पड़ता है नए नॉलेज के साथ, नए स्किल्स के साथ। तो एक लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी जो है वो आज बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो गई है हमारे लोगों के लिए। सब लोग लगातार पढ़ना चाहते हैं, नौकरियों में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, अपना कैरियर में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं। तो इसमें इग्नू एक सशक्त भूमिका निभा रहा है हमारे देश में और बाहर भी। तो अब हम ये देखें कि ऐसी कठिन परिस्थिति में जो इग्नू की पठन पाठन की व्यवस्था है उस पर सबसे कम असर पड़ा है, क्योंकि क्लासरूम टीचिंग पर हमारी निर्भरता रिलेटिवली कम होती है। हमें विद्यार्थियों को पढ़ाने के हमने और भी कई तरीके हमने बना रखे हैं जिन पे कि कोई असर नहीं पड़ा है। डॉक्टर प्रसाद आपको इनके बारे में और बताएंगे। तो हम पहले अपने उन मित्रों से बात करें जो कि प्रतीक्षा कर रहे हैं कि इग्नू में एडमिशन कब खुलेगा, कैसे एडमिशन लेंगे, ये सारी चिंताएं मन में होंगी।
You have just asked that there are many new students also, those who are aspiring to be our students. Dr. Rupam, I would like to hear from you that when you are going to give a new advertisement, because we are already having the student of July 19 and January 20 with us, but there are many students who are waiting to be a student with IGNU, and when you are going to advertise for July 20 and how this admission takes place, that is what can you little put light on that, Dr. Rupam?
Okay. Yes, we shall be announcing our admission for July 2020 towards the end of this month, hopefully, right. But certainly in the first half of June. We are also aware that this year the CBSE has not been able to complete its examination. Many state universities or central universities have also not been able to complete their examination. Now, all these students passing out of their schools and colleges look for admission in IGNU. So, there is going to be a delay.
Okay.
Because
that is obvious.
Yes, that is true. But there is already a sizable population which is ready to join. To them, we would like to say that the session is going to open very soon, but certainly not later than the first half of June 2020. And this will go on till late of July or even beyond, depending on the situation at that time. Now, a little bit about how we conduct the admission process.
Yeah, that's right, sir.
Now, our admission process is entirely online. You have to be ready with your scanned photograph, scanned certificates, scanned signature. It's a very, very simple process. And once you are ready with these documents, the prospectus is available on the website where you can check the eligibility for the program you're willing to join. There are a very large number of postgraduate programs, a very large number of undergraduate programs We will be in fact announcing admission for more than 180 programs again in July 2020.
180 programs.
More than 180
Okay.
programs in July 2020. So you name an
Any
area, as I said, and there is a program you want to do something in the area of climate change. There is a certificate program in climate change. You are interested in learning about human rights, human trafficking. You are interested in gaining knowledge about, let's say, nutrition, child care,
Event management.
event management. So all these options are available. It's a vast range of programs from diverse disciplines available in IGNOU. The prospectus is being updated for July 2020. It will be put up on the website towards the end of this month, and you can check the fees, the eligibility, and once you have decided on which program you want to do, you have to come to our website and register yourself. Because this is an online process, you need to register. You have to give your mobile number and email, and an OTP will be sent to your mobile number to confirm. Once you have registered, you can fill up the examination. You can make the payment online. There are payment gateways integrated, so whether you want to pay through credit card or debit card or net banking or UPI, you can pay using Bheem, you can pay using Google Pay. All these options are available.
Multiple options.
And the moment you submit your application, you get a confirmation that here your application has been successfully submitted, and you can see that in your login. Not only that, you can see the progress of your application in your login. If we find that there is a certain discrepancy in your application, we inform you. You get an email, you see that discrepancy in your login, you remove that discrepancy, we process your application, and the moment your application is accepted, you get a confirmation mail saying that you have been enrolled in such and such program, this is your enrollment number, this is the regional center you have chosen, this is the study center you have chosen, and further information about how you can access digital content, how you can access other resources, other facilities. All this information goes to you in email. That is the starting point of your journey with IGNOU. Once admission is over, then the journey, the learning journey starts. Okay.
Yes.